Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Hall and I'm here with Peter Ware of the Swift Institute. Thanks for joining me, Peter.
Pleasure.
How would you say the financial industry has changed in recent years?
I think technology is having a huge impact. The technology changes are becoming faster and faster as time goes on, as our regulatory changes and compliance changes. They're putting increasing demands on banks and other financial institutions in terms of what they have to offer. So from our perspective, what we're trying to do is conduct research into to those areas. From a technology perspective, we've got some upcoming research on blockchain. You can't seem to read the news today without hearing something about blockchain. So we're going to add to that and hopefully bring some insights into how blockchain is impacting the securities world specifically. We've also got some research coming up on regulation. So from a regulatory point of view, there's slight differences between, say, Europe and North America. So our research is looking at those differences, and if you're a bank operating in both markets, how can you comply with sometimes conflicting regulations? We've also got something quite specific coming up on Crest. I'm sure a lot of people realize this is the 20th anniversary of Crest. So we've got some research underway to look at how that evolved over the past 20 years, what the market was like 20 years ago when Crest was originally formed, and what it's like today. Would Crest be created in today's environment? Would it be created differently? What can other market infrastructures learn from the Crest experience? So hopefully we're trying to add to some answers to what is changing all around us in the world.
What are the benefits of bringing together academia and financial industry professionals?
Well, I think they can learn from each other. So academics, they're bringing a rich history of expertise from a research perspective on a wide variety of topics, and combined with the practitioners' day-to-day experience, they can learn from each other. If you look at it, almost any conference, if you have, say, 3 or 4 bankers on stage, you get a pretty stilted conversation. If you throw some academics into the mix, then it seems to raise the level of the conversation, and it becomes far more interesting. So I think both sides can learn from each other, and that comes through in a lot of the research that we offer through the Institute, where we have researchers working with banks and engaging in research together, and then the results that come out of that. It's also coming up with something that we've launched called the Swift Institute Challenge, and that's where we're targeting UK university students and trying to get these students to come up with ideas around, in this case, remittances via banking. And we've worked with various UK banks to define what the challenge is, and now hoping that UK students will come up with some of those ideas.
Peter, thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Thank you for watching.